Hi, my name is Ricky. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do sun salutation for beginner. Let's get started. Stand up, hands in prayer position, feet active. Inhale, arms up. Tuck the tailbone, telescoping the ribs. Exhale, forward bend. Arms down by the side. Tuck the tailbone, pull belly in. Lunge, inhale, left foot back, pad under the left knee. Exhale, lower down the left knee. Inhale, reach the arms towards the sky. Exhale, hands on the mat. Plank. Inhale, step right foot back, ankle together. Modified chaturanga. Exhale, knees down, chest down, lie flat, ears, shoulders off the floor. Low cobra, elbows by the shoulders. Inhale, scoop the chest forward. Tuck the tailbone. As your exhale, keep pulling the chest forwards, lay all the way down. Look towards the left hands on your lower back. Deep inhale, ballooning the breath into your lower back. Exhale, relax your back. Inhale, forehead down, hands underneath the shoulder. Exhale, press back into downward dog. Lunge, inhale, left foot forwards, pad under the knee. Exhale, lower down. Huge inhale, reach the arms towards the sky. Exhale, both hands on the ground. Step right foot in between the hands, forward bend. Inhale, stand up, telescoping the ribs, arms up. Exhale, hands in prayer position. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Lunge, inhale, right foot back, pad under the right knee. Exhale, lower down the knees. Inhale, arms up, telescoping the ribs. Exhale, hands on the mat. Plank. Inhale, step left foot back, ankle together. Modified chaturanga, knees down, chest down. Low cobra. Inhale, scoop the chest forward, drag shoulders down. Exhale, lower down. Look towards the right hands on the lower back. Deep inhale, send the breath into the lower back. Exhale, relax your back. Inhale, forehead down, hands underneath the shoulder. As your exhale, press back into downward dog. Lunge, inhale, right foot forwards, pad under the left knee. Exhale, lower down. Huge inhale, reach the arms towards the sky. Forward bend, hands on the mat, step left foot in between the hands, relax your head. Inhale, reach the hands towards the ceiling. Exhale, hands in prayer position. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend forwards, relax your head. Lunge, inhale, left foot back, pad under the left knee, lower down the knee. Deep inhale, telescoping the ribs, arms up. Exhale, both hands on the ground. Plank. Inhale, step right foot back. Modified chaturanga, knees down, chest down. Inhale, low cobra, scoop the chest forward. Exhale, lower down, look towards the left hands on the lower back. Deep inhale, ballooning the breath into the lower back. Exhale, relax your lower back. Inhale, hands underneath the shoulder, forehead down. Exhale, press back into downward dog. Lunge, left foot in between the hands, bend under the right knee. Exhale, knee onto the mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale forward bend, hands on the floor, step right foot in between the hands. Relax your head. Deep inhale, stand up, arms towards the sky. Exhale, hands in prayer position. That's the end of our practice today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Comment below what you want me to post later on. See you next time.